me to line up no barber. Put my back against the wall and my guard up. Remember when my mom's had to be my father. I caught up, not liking my writing, this paper balled up. I can hear the tears through the phone when I call her. She know I'm on drugs, doesn't mind that I'm high, but I've lost sight of goals with my head up in the sky. Tell me that I'm sick and I'll reply that I'm fine, but I know you can see that vacant look up in my eye. No, I'm not home at the moment, just to let you know I'm alone at my lowest. Pushed away everyone I held close, it's my shoulder the coldest, hope they don't notice. All of the tears that I hold back, every day I stay wishing that I can go back. Goosebumps all over my skin, feel it in the air, where do I begin? These outsiders don't want me to win, never mind them greasers, they don't understand. Cigarette breath mixed with the liquor stench, near the bottom of the bottle as a part of my death. One swig to the head, polish off what's left, just give me a sec, my thoughts are inept nightmares. Me inhabiting my mind, I'm breaking up the Philly, about to roll another dime. I battle with addiction, saying sorry to my moms, cause it ain't her fault that I'm trying to stay calm. I fear it's the only way to see clear, to make my bad thoughts disappear to thin air. And all these tears, I'm trying to hold back, knowing that I can't go back.